Hey guys, Bill Spadea here. I am joined by Ida Bowen, who is the president and CEO of Deepwater Industries Federal Credit Union. Ida, welcome to New Jersey 101.5. How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for having me.
So I was explaining to you before we started talking on air that I love credit unions. My wife and I belong to two. We've never looked back, from buying a house to financing a car, checking, savings. But I find that younger people today, specifically millennials, are not really sure what to do with their money, with their financial decisions. Some even say, they're kind of afraid of the whole credit debt thing, so they don't get credit cards right away. What do you tell young people when they come in?
Well, when we have young people come in, we start off by trying to find out what they actually know about credit unions. I'm sure a lot of
Which I'm going to guess is very little.
Very little.
Right? Yeah.
And, we ask them, first of all, if they're sons or daughters of members that are part of our credit union, to encourage them to talk to their parents about the experiences they've had, because that's obviously probably one of the reasons why they came in to talk with us and visit our credit union.
What's more important for a family that's thinking about buying a house? Is it more important to have a lot of savings, or is it more important to have a good credit history?
I believe having a good credit history, and we, most of the younger folks don't have much of a credit history, so we try to encourage them or try to educate them, give them some financial literacy on how important establishing credit is. And one of the good things about credit unions is that we give people a chance, young people a chance. Perhaps it's their first car, starting off that way, or a credit card, not for a high denomination, but something to start out with so they can start building that credit.
What's better about a credit union compared to a traditional bank? I know it's great for an ad slogan, you're a member, not a number, but what does that really mean?
I think it's because as a credit union, we're here to serve our members. It's owned by the membership, not by stockholders. So everything we do in our decision making, for products that we offer, for services that we give, we have the member in mind. They own the credit union. So our decisions have to be sound decisions. We look at fees, for example, just as one example, are much less than what banks would charge. We think about the member before we would establish a fee, and how that would impact the member. And how it would impact the credit union as well.
What about loan products? What about different products out there? Let's say somebody is thinking about buying a house.
Well, loan products are comparable, the same as what banks offer. The difference is that we have lower rates. We are very competitive with the banks in the area. And again, thinking about the membership and what would be good for them.
Now, do you have to belong to a specific industry to join your credit union?
Originally, our credit union, you did have to belong to one specific industry. It was Chambers Works in Deepwater, the DuPont company. But we've expanded. We have 137 now SEG groups, which are select employer groups, that if you are an employee or a family member of an employee that's a member, there you can join our credit union.
All right, Ida, thanks for joining me today. Good talking to you.
Thank you.
All right, that was Ida Bowen, President and CEO of Deepwater Industries Federal Credit Union. You can find a credit union near you. All you got to do is go to bankingyoucantrust.com.